Hello everyone and welcome back to Denise Beauty Corner, and today's unboxing of my new mini Noé from Louis Vuitton that I bought pre-owned. So it's not a brand new one, it's pre-owned, but they had the box, the dust bag and everything to it. So it's a very good condition from what I've understood, because I've not opened it yet. I'm going to open it now in front of the camera. So I wanted to have the Noé Mini because it's not even available anymore on Louis Vuitton website. They do have the petite one, but that one is much bigger from this one. So this one is a handbag, but I do think, like, I have a vision that I'm gonna be able to do it like crossbody. Like, I have a lot of crossbody bags, so I can just take the crossbody hanger and put it on this one. So I'm going to take it out from the box for the first time now and see. So here it is. Ta-da! I do think that you can fit a decent amount in a bag like this. So even though it is a mini bag, like a very small bag, you can still fit a lot of things and it's very convenient. And I do think it's super pretty like this to carry on like a handbag like this. I think it's going to be super pretty. You cannot detach this one's in this older design of the mini Noé, but I know in the petite Noé they do have attachable hand carrier, so you can remove this part if you want to, which you cannot do in this, but I do think it's very pretty like this, so I don't mind. My idea is that I can have it like just take this parts down and attach some other type of crossbody hangers in here if I want to wear this crossbody. But here it is, and I'm going to show you, compare it to my iPhone. This is the iPhone 14 Pro, not the biggest size, and here you can see like the size comparison. So you can fit a lot of things in this bag, and it's opened, it's with drawstrings. So you open it like this. It's my first Noé bag. I don't have any of the Noé bags before. Don't ask me why, because I really like them, but I just never purchased any of them. So now I have my first one in this mini collection, and I do like mini bags. I tend to reach for this size of bag the most. The condition of this bag is super good. I have got the certificate and everything before purchasing it. I always ask for that before, so I will not get fooled. I do not know where, somewhere here the maybe it's on the outside. Honestly, I do not know where the date code. Yeah, here is the date code. So the date code is located on the outside here. And this one is from 2004, September 2004. So I have been saying this before on my channel. I do think that the older versions of Louis Vuitton handbags is holding up the best. I love everything from the 80s to 90s and like the early 20th centuries, like from 2000 up to like 2015. Even my bag from 2015 is very good condition, but I found that like the latest bags that I have purchased new from Louis Vuitton has not been the same quality. I have a lot of both vintage and new bags, and I do find that my older bags are the ones that have the best quality. So here is the bag when I have tightened it. I don't mind that it's this type of open bag that you cannot close completely. I think it's very easy to get in and out of this type of bag, so I don't mind. I also have seen that a lot of people that have Noé, they take out the bands and they have like some cute details here, like scarves or something, which is very nice, and I want to do that with my Noé as well. So I'm going to put a little bit of things in here. Let's put my phone. I don't have so many things here, but I have this package. I'm gonna put it here as well. Let's see how much we can stuff in here. Like, I do think you can fit a lot. Like bigger things will show a little bit if you put bigger things in this bag, but how big can this be? Like if I compare this to my iPhone, things that are this much bigger than the iPhone, you will see them, but they are not sticking up on top of the bag, which is very convenient. I mean, when I'm reaching for this size of handbag, I usually want to have something to put my car keys, my wallet, my iPhone, maybe some makeup, like the most necessary things, and you can for sure fit everything like that in this one. So I'm so happy with this purchase, like very, very happy. And this was not super expensive for being Louis Vuitton. I got it for approximately around $500, which is a very good price. It did come with a receipt and everything like you saw when I unboxed it, so it's a very good price. And the condition is super good. Like, I mean, here's underneath. There are some small marks here, but it's always like that. On the Vanchetta, it's super hard to not get any marks at all on the Vanchetta. Otherwise, it's very good. The condition is super good, and I'm super happy with this one. I don't know where I'm gonna store it though in my closet here, because it's pretty stuffed, but maybe I need to take something out. Maybe it's time for me to do a declutter, because I haven't done a declutter in a while now. But this little bad boy for sure is going to be one of my new favorites. And do I think it's worth it? Absolutely, especially for the price that I got it for. It's only available to buy pre-owned because it's not available to buy in the Louis Vuitton website anymore. So I have to search on the pre-loved market. But definitely something that I can recommend. I mean, I have a lot of handbags, and I think this one is going to be one of my favorites. I think it's so versatile also. You can use this to all different type of looks, like cool looks, chill looks, everyday looks. I like it. Do you own the mini Noé? And if you do, let me know in the comment sections down below and let me know what you think about it. Let me know also if you would like to see a video how I style this, and if I wear it crossbody and things, like let me know if you want to see those details in a video, and I will make that video for you. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make a comment down below also, it's always good for the algorithm, and I'm hoping I'm gonna see you in my coming videos also. But for this time, thank you so much for watching, and bye!